Hello everyone. Welcome back to our Excel Masterclass series. I'm Nima, helping you master Excel the smart and simple way. Today, we're diving deep into index plus match, one of the most powerful and flexible lookup combinations in Excel. By the end of this video, you'll confidently use index plus match for vertical and horizontal lookups. Replace VLOOKUP with this more flexible method. Apply single and multiple condition lookups in financial data. Use named ranges, helper columns, and combine with SUMIFS. Handle errors like a pro. Let's get started. Section 1. Index Basics. Syntax. Equals index array, row num, column num. Array. The range of values to return from. Row num. The row number in the array. Column num. Optional, used for 2D arrays. Example. Sales data in column B, B2, B21. Equals index B2, B21, 5. Returns the fifth sales value in column B. Tip. Index alone only returns a value from a specific position. It doesn't search. Section 2. Match Basics. Syntax. Equals match lookup value, lookup array, match type. Lookup value. The value you're searching for. Lookup array. The range to search. Match type. 0 for exact match, 1 for less than, -1 for greater than. Example. Find the row number of product X in column A, A2, A21. Equals match product X, A2, A21, 0. Returns the row number of the first product X. Tip. Match tells Excel where your value is located, perfect for dynamic lookups. Section 3. Combining index plus match. Goal. Find sales for product X. Step by step. Use match to find row. Equals match product X, A2, A21, 0. Use index to return sales. Equals index B2, B21, match product X, A2, A21, 0. Press enter. Excel returns the corresponding sales. Tip. Unlike VLOOKUP, this works even if the lookup column is not the first column. Section 4. Using cell references. Type product name in a cell E2. Equals index B2, B21, match E2, A2, A21, 0. Changing E2 automatically updates the result. Tip. Makes your spreadsheet dynamic and professional. Section 5. Multiple conditions with helper column. Scenario. Find sales for product X in January step by step. Create a helper column combining product and month. Equals A2 and month C2. Example. Product X -1 for January. Use index plus match with helper column. Equals index B2, B21, match product X1, D2, D21, 0. Tip. This allows multiple condition lookups where VLOOKUP fails. Section 6. Using named ranges. Named ranges make formulas easier to read and maintain. Column A. Product name it products. Column B. Sales name it sales formula. Equals indexed sales, match product X, products, 0. Tip. If you add or remove rows, the named range can automatically adjust if defined as a table. Section 7. Advanced multiple conditions. Scenario. Find sales for product X in January for region A step by step. Create helper column combining product, month, region. Equals A2 and month C2 and D2. Formula. Equals indexed sales, match product X1 region A, helper column, 0. Tip. Helper columns simplify complex lookups without nested formulas. Section 8. Combining index plus match with SUMIFS. SUMIFS allows sum based on multiple criteria. Example. Sum all sales for product X in January. Equals SUMIFS sales, products, product X, month column, 1. Combine index plus match plus SUMIFS for dynamic dashboards. Equals SUMIFS indexed sales data. 0, match product X. Header row, 0, month column, 1. Tip. Essential for financial reporting in dashboards. Section 9. Error handling and best practices. Use if error to handle missing data. Equals if error indexed sales, match E2, products, 0, not found. Check ranges and headers. Named ranges make formulas readable. Keep helper columns simple and consistent. That's your complete index plus match guide from basic to advanced. Practice these steps to build professional financial reports and dynamic dashboards. Remember, little steps, big progress.